Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is December the 16th, 2023, and we're going to take a look at our gourds. We've got some birdhouse gourds that we've been growing, but these birdhouse gourds aren't fully grown. This one, however, I believe is. We're going to harvest the seeds, but today's the day we're going to take the gourds that are dry and pull them because it's kind of wet outside and we don't want them to start to rot and decay from the wet and dry conditions. All I have are some clippers and a bucket, and I'm going to clip them and let them land in the bucket. There we have it, the Luffa gourds and the birdhouse gourd. These others, I'm just going to leave them. They might have some seeds, so we'll leave them and harvest the seeds in a few months. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe as it helps the channel grow, and stay tuned because next year in March we're going to be planting all these seeds and we're going to go through a full grow season with our good healthy grow medium and hopefully get a lot more than what you've seen here. Have a great day.